Want to find detailed information about the hardware inside your Windows PC? A device manager can show device names, manufacturers, driver details, and hardware IDs. In this guide, I'll show you where to find this information. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Device Manager organizes your hardware into categories. For example, you can check display adapters for graphics hardware, network adapters for Wi-Fi and Ethernet, or sound, video, and game controllers for audio devices. Expand a category and find the device you want to inspect. Right-click it and select Properties. The General tab shows the device name and its current status. Open the Details or Driver tabs to find more information. The Driver tab shows the provider, date, and version, while Details can reveal additional information about the hardware. For more specific identification, open the Details tab and select Hardware IDs from the Property menu. You'll see identification codes that can help determine the exact manufacturer and device model. You can also select Compatible IDs from the same menu. These values help Windows identify compatible drivers for the hardware. This information can be useful when you're trying to locate a missing driver. Finally, return to the General tab and check device status. If Windows reports that the device is working properly, everything should be recognized normally. A warning icon or error code means further troubleshooting may be needed. And that's how to find hardware information in Device Manager. You can identify devices, check drivers, and use hardware IDs when you need more specific information. So keep this method handy whenever you're troubleshooting or identifying PC hardware.